Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to delete JazzCash account. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, there is no particular option in the Just As application where you can delete your account. So what you have to do is to open your call center, go to your call and dial 4444. Its address cash helpline. Simply you have to call on it and ask them for your closing account of your JazzCash. Simply call them and further you have to discuss with them whether it's your account or not. They will take your information and after that you will close your account. But there is a thing that your account have zero balance, so deleting process will further go on. So I hope this video will help you out. This is the way how to delete JazzCash account. Thanks for watching this video.